Tingnan ko, ano ba yan? Asan ka ngayon?
Nandito po, ma'am. Kaka-out ko lang po, ma'am.
Oh.
Naglalakad po ako pauwi po.
Okay, pauwi saan?
Sa nilipatan ko pong bahay po.
Akala ko sa pinagtayabam.
Mandi, ma'am.
kung ano nagtaytayab kan.
Kaya po, ma'am.
Anyway.
Ang sangit at garot, ma'am.
Ang sasangit ka manan? Why? What happened?
Kaming ma'am, kinabot.
Don't tell me sangitan na manan.
Mandi, ma'am.
Okay.
Baka nang sangit taklang namin takwa, ma'am. Pinagkat ko amin na dito gawin yung basement pang ato.
Oh,
Ang
okay.
hanak nga makamadita, nagkatong aming utang ko, kanya nang nga oras, ma'am.
Mhm.
Hindi tumawag ak kay agency minuntan na ta. Tapos ano tumawag ak di jay kit nalpas ka no tungtungan ni.
Grabe ha? They're supposed to protect you.
Kas kit ko nakikwa. Kasat no nga sir kit ang ko amo no kasat no kabayatan kit nga ngato ba tani.
Okay, hold on. Do you say yung bayadan DJ ko atoy, DJ employer mo?
When ma'am, yung kasi ma'am, gusto niya no mag-part-time ako dun sa kaibigan niya. Eh sabi ko, ma'am, anong kausapin mo muna ako na DJ agent ko, tapos trinay ko na sir, pero sabi niya, paano daw niya ako bibigyan ng trabaho? Eh, wala kaming guest. Eh, hindi ko naman kasalanan yun. Bakit sila kumuha ng TFW? Wala naman pala sila papatrabaho. Anong pambabayad ko dito? Binigyan niya ako ng 2 option. Hindi naman ako makapag-hindi. Ayoko naman magtrabaho dun sa sir, sa sinasabi niyang part-time. Kasi legal yun. Ayoko naman yung future ng anak ko. Alam mo naman sir na single mama ko.
Okay.
Eh, kailangan ko kung lahat ng mga galaw ko dito sa Canada, lahat ito. Gaya kahapon, nagdanyak na tinag, nagdalo sa bintana, ibagta na video.
Okay. What are you, right now, what are you going to do?
Ma'am,
Open permit ka na. So this is, go ahead.
Gusto ko po sanang yan, ma'am, may consult sa inyo, ma'am, kasi meron pong gusto
meron pa?
sa ano po, ma'am, sinabi ko po dun sa kakilala ko, ma'am, sa Vancouver, meron niya may available na daw. Yun po yung kinukulit ko sa inyo.
Okay, hold on. Okay, this is what you do. Be careful. Baka mamaya agency na naman to, manghihingi na naman ng pera sa'yo. Okay?
Opo,
You are open work permit. You don't allow anybody to give you another LMIA, not unless you want to extend. However, etong open work permit mo, may mga condition. I don't know kung anong condition yung nandun. We still need to wait for the work permit na yung original. Right now, it is an approval letter. However, we don't know. Right now, you can work anywhere you want now, assuming na alam natin yung condition. But right now, you can leave your employer. Hindi mo na kailangang magpa-api dyan sa employer mo na yan. Okay?
Pwede po ba, ma'am, na hindi na ako magpaalam sa kanya, ma'am, mag-message
Yes, you can.
Ako sa
Yes,
kanya.
you can. Kung wala ka ng gamit, pwede. At hindi mo rin siya babayaran whatever yung sinasabi niyang utang mo na oras. You don't need it. You don't need to pay those hours. Imagine how many hours na pinapabayaran niya sa'yo. And even though, kahit binayaran ka niyan ng full-time or 30 hours a week, I don't really care. If you listen to me, hindi ka mapapahamak. Just don't pay. And karapatan mo yun na mabayaran ka dahil foreign national ka. At the end of the day, what matters is that immigration believe in you na vulnerable. Okay? So, wag ka nang bumalik, magpaalam ka, I'm gone, bye-bye, block him all the way. That's it.
Yes, ma'am. Salamat po, ma'am.
Okay? We applied on February 17, tapos lumabas ngayon March 4. So, yun.
Thank you po, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay? So, send ko na sa'yo ngayon.
Thank you po, ma'am.
So, okay ka na?
Okay na po, ma'am.
Masaya ka na?
Masaya na ako, ma'am.
Very good. I'm happy for you. I know. I understand. Okay. All right. Congratulations ulit. I'll send you the result. Okay?
Thank you po.
You're welcome. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
So that's yan po yung yung foreign worker, foreign national inaabuso actually ng kanyang employer, pinapaakyat niya sa rooftop para maglinis, with the hagdanan, and also binibigyan niya lang ng trabaho 1 oras o 2 oras kung ano-anong pinapatrabaho sa kanya dahil nga daw wala namang trabaho. Hindi na lang niya ni-let go para nang sa ganun etong employee na to is hindi yung tied sa kanya. However, she came to me 2nd of February as a vulnerable. She got her approval today, March 4, 2025. So it's only a couple of more than a week nung na-approvean yung kanyang vulnerable open work permit because she is a closed work permit. She came to Canada as closed work permit, and then naabutan niya ang isang employer na inaabuso yung kanyang oras, inaabuso yung kanyang ginagawa sa trabaho without nawala doon sa contract. So here we go. She got an approval for more than 1 week lang. She got this open work permit under vulnerable situation. So she's free. She can work anywhere she wants. And I'm hoping that this time, medyo maswertihan din naman niya yung next na employer niya. She's free. She doesn't need LMIA. She doesn't need the approval of anyone else because she got an open work permit.